Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see Proxmox V post install and host backup. So there is a community helper script for Proxmox for this. So I would copy the URL from there for the script to be executed on the Proxmox V shell. And these are the prompts. Either you choose yes or no based on your requirements. Disable subscription hack, yes. Disable high availability. So it can be re-enabled if we later decide. Disable corosing for Proxmox V cluster. Update Proxmox V now. Yes. So okay, that is done. And reboot Proxmox V now. System is rebooting. Now execute the shell for taking the host backup. This will create a backup in these paths, what we mentioned here. So directory to backup to. So entering here amount path mnt slash pve slash backup. I would change this to OMV backup if I'm selecting the backup to be stored in Open Media Vault, but your decision may vary based on what NAS you are using. So here several other values need to be entered. Defaults for the etc folder. Here what all the files and directories to be backed up from the etc folder. We may choose here, press spacebar to select and same spacebar to unselect. Okay, the files and directories to be backed up have been chosen. Click OK, and then host backup has been created. It will show the option yes or no. Yes to select directories to be backed up to. Okay, backup is finished. Now going to OMB backup path. All the backup can be seen here. Thanks for watching.